Hello again, everyone. We're making great progress, and I'm excited to introduce you to another fundamental aspect of music theory: rhythm and tempo. Let's start by defining these terms. Rhythm is the pattern of beats or time intervals in music. It's what makes you want to dance, clap, or tap your foot when you hear a song. Tempo, on the other hand, is the speed at which those beats occur. It's measured in beats per minute or BPM, and it sets the overall pace of music. Rhythm is often called the soul of music. It's what gives a song its groove, its feel, its emotional impact. Whether you're playing a fast, upbeat tune or a slow, emotional ballad, the rhythm is what carries the listener along. It's a universal language that transcends cultures and styles, and understanding it is crucial for any musician. Let's put this into practice. I'll start by playing a simple melody at a slow tempo, say 60 BPM. Now let's speed it up to 120 BPM. And that's the difference that BPM makes to music. Notice how the feel of the music changes. That's the power of tempo. Now let's try changing the rhythm while keeping the tempo constant. Alright, now let's have a look at some rhythm demo. Start with pop rock type beat. And we'll play the same tempo, the same chord progression, and you just see how the vibe changes from each one to one. Now, let's look at some swing jazz type thing. Now, let's look at some Latin then. I'll go for a ballad now. See how each rhythm gives the melody a different character. So there you have it, rhythm and tempo. Two more essential elements that shape the music we love. I encourage you to experiment with different rhythms and tempos in your own playing. Feel the groove, understand the pace, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a more versatile and expressive musician.